Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. Navigate to File tab, Account, Office Dim. Here we have different modes. This is dark gray. We have white mode and black mode. Note that once we enable dark mode here, all the other Microsoft applications such as Word, PowerPoint will be in dark mode. Tab menu and ribbon turn into dark, but worksheet is still white. To turn it into black, click on the top left corner to select worksheet, page layout, background. Here you can import picture from your computer or you can select from your drive. And this option being image search, we will search for the black picture and we are going to use this. We'll type black color. We have different options. I will go for this. Now our worksheet in dark mode as well. Let us write something here. It doesn't appear because theme is black and the font color is black as well. So we are going to change the font color. Click here to select the entire sheet. Home. Font color. Make it white. Now it appears. Now let us back to default theme. From File, Account, select Colorful. Again, we have to change worksheet separately. Select all the worksheet. Page layout, delete background. And also we have to change the font color to black. From Home, color, black. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.